Hello students, welcome to SGRBCC. In this class we will discuss paper number 302, directions 1 to 5. Study the following information carefully and answer the given below questions. Here we have a puzzle. See the puzzle. There are 8 people who are sitting around a circular table. They are facing towards the center of the table. Each person is wearing different colored shirt, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink and brown. In addition, they each have a different occupation like doctor, teacher, engineer and lawyer, chef, artist, musician and writer. All the information is not necessarily in the same order. So, it is the information related to the puzzle. See the first one, there are 8 people around a circular table. So, totally 8 persons are there. First possibility and next second possibility. First one, the teacher is sitting opposite to lawyer. 2 person is between lawyer and the one who is wearing red shirt. The person who is wearing red shirt is sitting just next to the doctor. Engineer is sitting second to the right of the artist and wearing brown shirt. So, starting from teacher is sitting opposite to lawyer, So, it is the teacher and lawyer and teacher and lawyer, and next 2 persons sit between lawyer and one who wearing red shirt. So, between lawyer and red shirt there are 2 persons are there. Suppose it is the red shirt and here red shirt is there. The person who is wearing red shirt sitting just next to the doctor, So, here doctor is there, and next coming to here, so here doctor is placing, and next the engineer is sitting second to the right of artist and wearing brown shirt. So, engineer is second to the right of artist and engineer wearing brown shirt. So, he is brown shirt. And next the musician is sitting just next to the doctor but doesn't wear red shirt. So, here musician, and he is not wearing red shirt, in the sense he is not placing here. So, coming to this one, here musician, and next wear red shirt. The person who is wearing purple sitting just next to the person who is wearing brown shirt. So, purple is wearing just next to the brown shirt. So, brown shirt, in the sense brown is engineering. So, from engineering he is just next to the, so here purple is there, okay, just next. These are the clues. And next the chef is not sitting next to the writer. So, chef is not next to the writer. Chef is not next to the writer. So, writer, chef and ekkada vastaro manaki teliyadu. And next the person who is wearing blue shirt is sitting just left of the person who is wearing orange shirt. So, person blue is just left. So, just left to the immediate left of orange, okay. And next orange shirt evaro kuda teliyadu. Inga 3 persons sit between the one who is wearing blue shirt and the one who is wearing green shirt. So, between blue and that is green, both are opposite to each other. The teacher is not wearing blue shirt. So, teacher is not blue is not by teacher, and next the writer is wearing yellow shirt. So, writer is yellow. These are the clues. So, see the first one. First one is first of all, engineering brown sitting second to the right of artist. So, from artist, suppose artist is placing here artist, and from artist engineering is the second to the right, he is brown. It is the one clue. And next coming to this one, suppose if artist is placing here, engineer is placing here brown, okay. So, this point is clear. And engineer is just next to the purple. So, engineer is just next to the purple. Suppose here layer is there, here these two places we can purple either here or purple. And coming to this one, here purple or here purple. Okay. Next, so next chef is not immediate next of writer who wears yellow shirt. So writer ఎక్కడ వస్తాడు? సో writer వచ్చేసి, so only one place we left. Suppose if writer is there, so writer is there, he is wearing yellow shirt, that means here purple is not placing here, here yellow. Next, coming to this one, so writer, where we can place writer? Suppose if writer is there, writer is yellow, so here purple is not placing. Next point, blue immediate left of orange. So blue is the immediate left of orange, so where we can place blue and orange. And next వచ్చేసి, next so blue and green both are opposite to each other, and blue is not wearing by teacher. So blue is not wearing by teacher. Suppose artist is green, both green and blue, so blue is placing here. Okay, so this is the one clue. And coming to this one, so where we can place blue? So blue వచ్చేసి మనం ఎక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేయొచ్చు? There is no place to fix blue and orange, blue and green both are opposite to each other. మనకి ఎక్కడే కానీ ప్లేస్ లేదు కాబట్టి, so this possibility is not correct. Next, blue is not liked by teacher, blue is not liked by teacher. And next one, chef and writer. So chef is not immediate to writer, so chef ఎక్కడ వస్తాడు ఇక? సో చెఫ్ వచ్చేసి ఈ ప్లేస్లో మాత్రమే అండి. రిమైనింగ్ పర్సన్ డాక్టర్. సో వాట్ అబౌట్ డాక్టర్ అండ్ బ్లూ? సో బ్లూ ఈజ్ ద ఇమ్మీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆరెంజ్. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ డాక్టర్ లైక్స్ ఆరెంజ్, బ్లూ ఈజ్ ద ఇమ్మీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ డాక్టర్. ఓకే, సో ఇంతటితో పజిల్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. మ్యూజిషియన్ బ్లూ, లాయర్ వచ్చేసి పర్పుల్, ఇంజనీర్ బ్రౌన్, రైటర్ వచ్చేసి ఎల్లో, ఆర్టిస్ట్ గ్రీన్. And next, teacher. So remaining teacher, that is pink, remaining color is that is pink. And next, chef red and doctor వచ్చేసి orange color. Okay, so it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. See the question number 1 చూడండి ఒకసారి. Who is sitting second to the right of the one who wearing pink shirt? So second to the right of, that is writer yellow, so that is writer. Next, who is wearing orange shirt? That is doctor. Who is sitting second to the left of chef? So second to the left of chef, that is musician blue, so musician is the answer. Who is sitting just right to the one who wearing yellow shirt? So just right of yellow, that is engineer brown color, engineer brown. Next, how many persons sit between one who is doctor, so from doctor, and next the one who is wearing green shirt when counted from right of doctor. So here artist likes green, from right of doctor in the sense 1 and 2, total 2 persons are there. So it is the final arrangement of the person. Next see the next one. Inequalities is there. See the first one, a greater than e. So a less than e here, so see a here and e here, so a less than b, p less than c, and next c greater than d, and next so d before d it is the, here we have opposite sign, so one is not following. Next, b less than f, so b less than f, so b less than f, here also opposite symbol, so b is also not following. What is the answer here? Option 4, neither 1 or 2 follows. Coming to the next one, h greater than b, so h here and b here, and h greater than a and greater than or a greater than m, so m equal to b, definitely 1 follows. Okay, signs are same. Next, g less than l, so g here and l here, so here opposite sign is there, so second one is not follows, only one is follow. L greater than m, so L here and next so L here and m here, m equal to x to t, so x less than or equal to t, t greater than L. So సరిపోయిందా? So that is m equal to x less than or equal to t and t greater than L. So one is follows. So one is follow, and next y greater than x. So see y here and x here. What is the relation between y and x? So x equal to m, m equal to m, k greater than m, m equal to x, and next x less than or equal to t, and next L ki t ki madhya relation enti, that is L less than t less than L, and y kada manaku kavalsindi y greater than or equal to k. So y greater than or equal to k, that is y to x. So x to y it is also follow, x to y it is also follow, both 1 and 2 follows. Option 5 is the answer. Next d less than f. So d here and f here. So d less than c less than or equal to e greater than f. One is definitely follows. Why? Because here we have less than is there. B less than e. So b here and c. So b less than c less than or equal to e. So second one is also definitely follows. Next, coming to the last one, n greater than h. So n greater than L. So L to j, j to h. So n greater than L, L equal to j, j less than h. Okay. So here h to n they not follows. Opposite signs are there. First one is not follow. Coming to the n greater than m. So n here and next m here. Okay. So between n and m. So చూడండి ఒకసారి L and next L less than or equal to m. Okay. So here both symbols are different. Both are different symbol. Both 1 and 2 not follows. Option 4 is the answer. Next one more puzzle, 11 to 15. So 9 individuals A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I were born on 31st December in different years: 1991, 1999, 2000, 2002, 4, 5, 11, 12, 16 and 2018, but not necessarily in the same order. Age of all of them was calculated as on 31st December 2021 antunnadu. So starting from 11 to 15. So see, starting what is the year, that is 1999. Next 2000, 2002, 2004 and next 2005. So 2011, 2012 and 2016, finally 2018. So ages are calculated on December 31st 2021. Okay. So what are their ages? See the first one, 1999 to 2021, that is 22 years, and next 21, next 19, 17 years, and next that is 16 years. So 10 years and next 9 and next 5 years and 3 years is there. Okay. So next so see the possibility, student ఒకసారి. The age of D is multiple of 5. So the age of D is multiple of 5 in the sense, so that is 10 years here D, and next here also D, and there is no another multiple of 5, only 2 possibilities. H is youngest among all. So H is youngest among all. The sum of the ages of F and G is 9 years. F and G is the 19 years. The difference between the ages of A and C is 3 years. E and A are not oldest. So here E and A both are not oldest. 2 persons were born between E and G. So between E and G there are 2 persons are there. The difference between the ages of B and C is 2 years. B minus C is the 2 years. Okay. So these are the clues. We will try. So first of all, so చూడండి F plus G 19 years అంటున్నాడు, and next A minus C 3 years and B minus C 2 years. So here A minus C 2 years and C minus B, it is 3 years, it is 2 years. Okay. సో మనము ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఏసీబీని మనం ప్లేస్ చేయొచ్చో చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. సో ఏసీబీని మనం ఎక్కడెక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేయొచ్చు. సపోజ్ ఏ వచ్చేసి నాట్ టాప్ అండ్ ఏ వచ్చేసి ఒకవేళ ఏకి సికి మధ్య 3 years ఉండాలంటున్నాడు. దట్ ఈజ్ ఏని మనం ఎక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఏని ఇక్కడ మనం ప్లేస్ చేసుకుంటే సపోజ్ ఏకి సికి 3 years, దట్ ఈజ్ సి ఈజ్ ప్లేసింగ్ హియర్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సి మైనస్ బి, దట్ ఈజ్ 2 years, హియర్ బి ఈజ్ ప్లేసింగ్. ఓకే, కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మోర్, ఏని సిని మనం ఎక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేయొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ అంతే, ఏ బి అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ సి. ఓకే, సో దిస్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ కంప్లీటెడ్ అండ్ దిస్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ కంప్లీటెడ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈకి జీకి మధ్య 2 persons ఉంటారంటున్నారు. అండ్ సో మనం ఎక్కడెక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేయొచ్చు, ఈకి జీకి మధ్య 2 persons. ఓకే, సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ మనం ఇక్కడ బీని తీసేద్దాం ఒకసారి. సో బీని తీసేసి, ఓకే, సో బీకి సికి మధ్య 2 persons 2 years కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ బీని మనం ప్లేస్ చేయొచ్చు. హియర్ వీఆర్ ప్లేసింగ్ బి, కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయ్యడానికి. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఈకి జీకి మధ్య 2 persons అంటున్నారు. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ఈ ఈజ్ ప్లేసింగ్ హియర్, బిట్వీన్ ఈ అండ్ జీ there are 2 persons are there. And next coming to the next one, E and G, suppose E here and G is placing here. Next F plus G is 19 years. Suppose G is 9 years, if G equal to 9 years, then F equal to what? So F plus G 19 years, F equal to 10 years. Suppose F is placing here. Okay, so condition satisfied. So there is no place to fix F here, this possibility is not following, and remaining person, that is I, is placing here. So it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. How many persons were bought between I and A? So between I and A there are 3 persons are there. What is the age of E? That is 17 years. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way with respect to F. Then who among the following doesn't belong into the group? I. So I వచ్చేసి before F, and next E is also before F, and D after F, and A వచ్చేసి before F, and B is also before F. Except D, remaining 4 persons are born before F. Okay, all are remaining except D, remaining all are older than F. In which of the following year I was born? That is 1999. What is the sum of the ages of B and D? So B and D. So B is 21 and D. So D age is 5. That is 26 years. Option 5 is the answer. Next, if the first and third letters of the word delete, so that is D and L. Next, second letter of the word not, that is O, and first letter of the word good, that is G. Okay, so by using these letters, how many meaningful words are started making? So starting with G only. So this G, O, L and D. So only gold word is making. So what is the answer? So find second letter of the meaningful word, that is O. Option 5. Next syllogism. So see syllogism, student excel. Some book or pen. So some book or pen. Only a few pen is pencil. Only a few pen is pencil. No pencil is register. So no pencil is register. Some pen is register. No relation, definite relation between pen and register. Some books can be pencil. So books here and pencil here. So some books can be definitely follows. Okay, here some and here only some is following. Only second conclusion is follows. Next, coming to the 18th one. Only a few laptop is mission. So only a few laptop is mission. Some mission is bottle. Only a few bottle is basket. Only a few bottle is basket. Next, some machine being basket is a possibility. So machine here, basket here. So among these total statements, only some is following kabatti definitely possibility definitely follows. Some laptop being bottle is a possibility. Laptop here and bottle here, it is also definitely follows. Option 5. Next, all ABC is BCD. So all ABC is BCD. Next, some BCD is DEF. No DEF is GHI, GHJ. All ABC is GHJ. So ABC here, GHJ here, first one is not follows. All BCD being GHJ. So all BCD GHJ. So all BCD GHJ. Suppose possibility definitely not follows. Why? Because if all BCD is GHJ, so ila manaki GHJ form aitundi. So if GHJ form aithe manaki no anedi not follows aitundi. Kabatti second one is also not follows. Option 4 is the answer. Next, only a few car is truck. So only a few car is truck. No truck is cycle. Some cycle is bus. Some car is bus. Car here, bus here, no definite relation between both. Some cycle is car. Cycle here and car here. So some is also not follows. So 21 is option 4. Neither 1 or 2 follows. No Mozilla is Firefox. Some Firefox is Chrome. Only a few Chrome is Google. Only a few Chrome is Google. Some Chrome being Mozilla is a possibility. So Chrome here and Mozilla here, definitely some is definitely follows. Suppose if Chrome ikkada pedte, some is definitely follows. Next, some Google being Mozilla is a possibility. So some Google is also definitely follows. Definitely both 1 and 2 follows. Next, in the given word century, if all the vowels are removed and replace all the consonant with just next letter of the alphabetical order. So first of all, remove all the alphabets. So C, N, T, R, Y. So after that, all the vowels arranged with the next letter of the alphabetical series, that is D, M, N, O. So T, U, R, S, Y, Z. Then how many vowels are there in the new arrangement? It is 1 and 2. So only 2. Next, 23 to 27. One more puzzle is there. 9 persons JKLM NOPQ are standing in a linear row facing the north but not necessarily in the same order. So totally 9 persons are there. See the first one. O is third from left of the N, and next only one person stand between O and Q, and next who stands to the left of O. Neither Q nor N stands end of the line. The number of persons stand to the left of Q, same number of person standing right of P. R stand third to the right of L. L and P are not immediate neighbors. The number of persons standing between Q and L is the same number of persons standing between O and J. Next, the number of persons standing between N and M is one more than the number of persons between Q and K. So see the first one, total 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 persons are there. O is standing third to the left of N. It is the right side and it is the left side. All are facing north direction. O standing third to the left of N. And here neither Q nor N both are not end of the row. Suppose N is there. Suppose N is there, 1, 2, 3. Here O is there. And next N, 1, 2, 3. Here O is placed. Only one person stand between O and Q, who stands to the left of O. So here Q is there, Q is there. Next, the number of persons standing to the left of Q, same number of persons standing to the right of P. Left of Q, 2 persons, right of P, 2 persons. Here only one person is there. R stand third to the right of L. L and P are not immediate neighbors. So R is the third to the right of L. Suppose if L is placing 1, 2, 3, here R is placing. Next, coming to the first possibility, L is placing here 1, 2, 3, here R is placing. And next, number of persons stand between Q and L is the same number of persons between O and J. Here Q and L, one person is there, and O and J. So, pi now we don't have any place to fix J here, this one is not follows. And next coming to the down, next second possibility, the number of person between Q and L, none is there. Between O and J is also no person is there. Number of persons stand between N and M is one more than the number of persons between Q and K. So between N and M, so M, if M is placing here, between N and M, that is one person is there, and Q and K there is no person is there. So between both one person, these two 0 persons. Okay, condition satisfies. Let us move on to the questions. Who among the following persons stand 6 to the left of end, that is K? Who among the following persons third to the left of J? 1, 2, 3, that is Q. How many persons stand to the right of R? 1, 2, 3, that is 3 persons are there. Which of the following statement is true? K and M are immediate neighbors. K and M not immediate neighbors. O stand immediate right of L. So this one is correct. And next, question number 27. What is the position of Q from the left end of the row? That is second. So from second, Q is there. Next, if in the given number 5829 478246, the first 6 digits are written in reverse order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and rest remain as it is. Then what will be the sum of the digit which are fifth from the left end and fourth from the right end? So first of all, fourth from the right end, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 8. Next, fifth from the left end. Suppose if digits are reversed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is the fifth from left end. 8 plus 8, that is 16. సో ఇక్కడ నేను రాయకుండా ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే డైరెక్ట్గా రైట్ సైడ్ నుండి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నా. ఎందుకు? 749285 కాబట్టి లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ నుండి 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ఏమవుతుంది? దట్ ఈజ్ 8 అవుతుంది. 8 plus 8, దట్ ఈజ్ 16. నెక్స్ట్ 29 to 32. Directions puzzle. See the first one. Bhuvana starts walking straight towards south. After walking 26 meters, she reached point D. So from here, Bhuvana is 26 meters traveled. So here D is reaching. After D reaches, she turned her right side, walking 20 meters. After that, she turned right, so 20 meters, reaches point E. Next, now she turned towards right after walking 16 meters. She reached point F. It is the 16, it is F. Again she turned towards her left side, walking 15 meters, reach G. So again turn left 15 meters, reaches G. From where she moved towards the north, walking 20 meters. So after that, walking 20 meters and she reached point H. Now she moved to her left and after walking 25 meters, she reaches point I. So it is again 25 meters. And next, then turn her right and walking 15 meters. So again she turn right and walking 15 meters, reaches point J. Okay, H and G, next E. Okay, it is the starting point. Okay, let us move on to the questions. What is the total distance covered by Bhuvana to reach point J? So that is 26 plus 20, starting from 26, 20, 16, 15 and next 20, 25, again 15. So total is 15, 21, 27. Okay, so is there any option end with 7? That is 7 meters. First one is the answer. Next, what is the shortest distance between I and G? So I here and G here, what is the shortest distance? So here forming a right angular triangle, it is 25, it is 20 and it is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square equal to 25 square plus 20 square, that is 625, 25 square, it is 400. So that is what is this? So 1025. Then what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse in the sense, so root 1025. What is the answer? So 1025 meters. In which direction h with respect to point D? So h with respect to point D. So h here and D here. H is the northwest of point D. What is the shortest distance and direction point J with respect to point H? So J with respect to point H, it is 25 root 25, that is 625, and next 15, that is 225. So it is 50, 850. Then what is the hypotenuse? Root 850 northwest, root 850 northwest. Next, in coding, so coding and decoding, first one is the super good fan and rock, good rock each other, and next rock each not bad. First of all, rock and rock. So what is the code for rock? So that is OC. So OC and OC. Next, good. So good and good. What is the code for good? So that is OO. Next, either super fan and next, so super or fan. What is the code for super fan? Either UP or AM. And next, each food and each not bad. So each and each. So each is coded as AC. And next, food. So food is coded as OD. Remaining not bad. So not bad is either OT or AD. These are the coding and decoding. So let us move on to the questions. See the question. What is the code for the word good? So good is, that is OO. Which among the following word coded as AC? That is each. What is the code for the word food? That is OD. Okay. So next. So here we have one more puzzle last. So see the puzzle. 8 persons OP, QR, ST, U and V sitting around a square table such that all of them are facing towards the center but not necessarily in the same order. 2 persons are sitting in each side. So here we have a square table. Each side there are two persons are there. S sits to the immediate left of U, where both are sitting different sides of the table. So S is the immediate left of U, and S is the immediate left of U. Next, 2 persons between R and U. So 2 persons between R and U. And next, P sits third to the left of T. P is the third to the left of T. T neither adjacent or S nor R. So T is not adjacent of S nor R. Suppose if T is placing here and P is third to the left of T. So P is placing here. So and next, coming to this one, T is not neither P is not neither sitting adjacent to S nor U. That is same. If T is placing here, P is placing here. And next, the number of persons sitting between O and R is the same number of persons sitting between R and P. So between O and R equal to R and P. So between R and P one person is there, and O and R is the one person is there. Next, R and P 1 2 3, and next O and R there is no place to fix O here. And after that, R and Q are not immediate neighbors. So Q is placing here, remaining person V is placing here. So it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. What is the position of S with respect to O? So S with respect to O, that is second to the right. Who among the following person between S and V? So between S and V when counted from right of V, that is 2 persons, that is P and U. So 1 and 2. So next, who among the following person exactly opposite to T, that is P? Which among the following pair persons are immediate neighbors? So O and R and UP not. So UP both are immediate neighbors. If all the persons arranged in alphabetical order starting from O clockwise directions, how many persons remain unchanged? So starting from O clockwise directions in the sense, so O, P, Q, R, S, T, U and V. So there is no person is unchanging. So what is the answer? None is answer. None is the answer.